Number 10. Scott selected 20 employees at random from all 400 companies at 400 employees, at a company. Okay, so he has 400 employees and he pulled out 20 at random. He found that 16 of the employees in this sample, 20 is my sample. Okay, so 16 are enrolled in exactly 3 professional development courses. Okay, so 16 of them are in 3 courses this year. All right. Based on Scott's findings, which of the following is the best estimate of the number of employees at the company who are enrolled in exactly 3 professional development courses this year? So they're asking us to use a sample to predict the whole number. So 16 out of 20 are in 3 courses. And if we assume that this ratio holds true for the whole company, we'll say, okay, then how many out of 400 can we expect? So this is our total number of the sample. Here's our total number of employees. On top, we have total number in the sample that are in 3 courses. Over here, we would have total number of employees in the whole company that are in 3 courses. Now, I can solve it just as is. If you're doing this on your calculator, it's equally easy either way. Cross multiplying is a great way to do it. So I'd cross multiply those and get 20x equals 16 times 400. If you're wanting to do this manually, you can simplify this fraction on the left, like if you're not wanting to use your calculator, and it might make it a little easier. So 1620 simplifies down to 4/5. Go on, there we go. To 4/5, and that may be a little bit easier, again, if you're doing this by hand and not wanting to break out the calculator. So same thing, we would cross multiply. 5 times x is 5x, and 4 times 400 is 1600. Then we would divide both sides by 5 to undo that 5 times x, and we are going to get 320. Another way you can look at this is if you were at this point and it's 4/5 and it's 400, you might say, what is 4/5 of 400? Well, what is 1/5 of 400? 400 divided by 5 is 80, and then 80 times 4 is 320. Another way you could look at it. That's one of those things. A lot of these problems, there is not one set way to solve them. So I would say the skills here that are absolutely necessary for the SAT would be the skill of creating a proportion and being able to cross multiply and solve, and also the skill of recognizing how a sample can predict the whole. And that will get you to your answer of 320B. Hey guys, just a quick heads up, I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.